What's your hobby? Hi, Ben. What do you usually do in your free time?
Hi, Anna. I usually spend my free time doing my favorite hobby.
That sounds interesting. What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing the guitar.
Really? How long have you played the guitar?
I have played the guitar for about 3 years.
Wow, that is great. Who taught you how to play?
My older brother taught me when I was in high school.
Do you practice the guitar every day?
I try to practice for about 30 minutes every evening.
What kind of music do you like to play?
I enjoy playing pop songs and simple acoustic songs.
Do you ever play songs for your friends?
Yes, I sometimes play for my friends when we get together.
That must be fun. Do you have another hobby?
Yes, I also enjoy taking photographs.
What do you like to photograph?
I like taking pictures of nature, especially sunsets and flowers.
That sounds relaxing. Do you use a professional camera?
No, I usually use my smartphone to take pictures.
Your photos must look beautiful.
Thank you, but I am still learning about photography.
I think hobbies are a great way to learn new things.
I agree with you completely. What is your favorite hobby, Anna?
My favorite hobby is reading books.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I like reading novels, travel books, and books about personal development.
How often do you read?
I usually read for about an hour before I go to bed.
Do you prefer paper books or digital books?
I prefer paper books because I enjoy holding a real book.
I understand that feeling.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, I have a favorite travel book about different countries.
Why do you like that book?
I like it because it teaches me about different cultures and places.
Reading can really help us learn about the world.
Yes, and it can also improve our English vocabulary.
That is one reason I enjoy reading English books.
Do you have any hobbies that you do outside?
Yes, I enjoy riding my bicycle on weekends.
Where do you usually ride your bicycle?
I usually ride around the park near my house.
Do you ride alone or with your friends?
I usually ride with my best friend because it is more enjoyable.
That sounds like a healthy hobby.
Yes, cycling helps me stay active and feel happy.
I think everyone should have a hobby.
I agree, because hobbies make our free time more enjoyable.
Hobbies can also help us reduce stress after a busy day.
That is true, and they can help us discover our talents.
If you could learn a new hobby, what would you choose?
I would love to learn how to cook different kinds of food.
That sounds delicious. What food would you like to learn first?
I would like to learn how to make Italian pasta.
Maybe I can teach you how to make it someday.
That would be wonderful, and I can teach you some photography tips.
Great. We can share our hobbies and learn from each other.
Exactly. Hobbies are more fun when we enjoy them together.